Buddhism, one of the world's oldest and most profound spiritual traditions, offers a wealth of wisdom and teachings that can guide us on the path to becoming better individuals and earning the respect of those around us. In this video, we will explore 18 invaluable lessons drawn from the teachings of Buddhism that can inspire you to cultivate qualities that command respect, inspire compassion, and foster inner peace. These lessons are not just for Buddhists. They are for anyone seeking personal growth, harmony, and respect in their lives. In this video, we will delve into each of these lessons, breaking them down and illustrating how they can be applied in your daily life. The teachings of Buddhism are renowned for their simplicity, yet profound depth, making them accessible and relevant to individuals from all walks of life. As we navigate through these lessons, you will discover practical strategies that can lead to personal transformation and ultimately earn you the respect of those around you. 1. Lesson of mindfulness. The first and perhaps most fundamental lesson in Buddhism is mindfulness. This concept is at the core of Buddhist practice and holds the key to transforming our lives. Mindfulness involves being fully present in the moment, aware of your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment. It's about embracing the here and now, as it is, and letting go of past regrets and future anxieties. Buddhism teaches us that by practicing mindfulness, we can gain a deep understanding of ourselves and the world around us. This heightened awareness allows us to make more thoughtful choices and respond to situations with greater wisdom and compassion. To be respected by others, one must first respect themselves. And mindfulness is the foundational step towards self-respect. Incorporating mindfulness into your life involves meditation. Regular meditation practice helps train the mind to be present, calm, and focused. It's a way of cultivating self-awareness and understanding the workings of your own mind. By consistently meditating, you'll be better equipped to handle stress and develop a sense of inner peace. Mindful breathing. Paying attention to your breath is a simple and effective way to practice mindfulness throughout your day. Take a moment to slow down, take a few deep breaths, and connect with your breath. This practice can help you stay centered and reduce stress in challenging situations. Mindful walking. As you walk, pay attention to each step, the sensation of your feet touching the ground, and the movement of your body. This can turn a simple walk into a meditative experience, fostering mindfulness and a sense of peace. Mindful eating. When you eat, savor each bite, paying attention to the taste, texture, and aroma of your food. This practice not only enhances your enjoyment of meals, but also brings you into the present moment. By consistently incorporating mindfulness into your life, you'll find that you become more self-aware, present, and in control of your reactions to various situations. As you cultivate this inner awareness, others will notice the changes in your demeanor, and the respect they hold for you will grow. 2. Lesson of compassion. The second lesson from Buddhism that can significantly impact your journey to being respected by everyone is compassion. Buddhism teaches us that compassion is at the heart of human relationships and is a powerful tool for creating harmony and respect in our interactions with others. Compassion involves recognizing the suffering of others and being moved to alleviate it. It's about extending kindness, empathy, and a helping hand to those in need. In Buddhism, compassion is a cornerstone of the path to enlightenment, and it is believed that by practicing compassion, one can attain a state of genuine respect from others. To cultivate compassion in your life, consider these steps. Self-compassion. Before extending compassion to others, it's essential to be compassionate towards yourself. Acknowledge your own suffering and treat yourself with kindness and understanding. This self-compassion will provide a strong foundation for extending compassion to others. Empathy. Put yourself in the shoes of others and try to understand their perspectives, emotions, and struggles. This deep level of empathy allows you to connect with people on a profound level, showing that you truly care about their well-being. Acts of kindness. Small acts of kindness can go a long way in fostering respect. Offer assistance to those in need, whether it's a friend, family member, or even a stranger. Compassionate actions are often remembered and appreciated. Active listening. Listen with your full attention when someone is speaking to you. Make them feel heard and understood. This simple act of being present and attentive can convey a sense of respect for the speaker. Forgive and let go. Holding on to grudges and resentment hinders the development of compassion. Buddhism teaches the importance of forgiveness and letting go of past grievances. By doing so, you not only free yourself, but also show respect for the humanity of others. Practicing compassion creates an atmosphere of understanding and respect. People are naturally drawn to those who exhibit genuine care and empathy. By embodying these qualities, you'll find that respect and admiration come naturally in your interactions with others. 3. Lesson of impermanence. Buddhism teaches us about the impermanence of all things. Nothing in life is static. Everything is in a constant state of change. This understanding can be both liberating and humbling. When we grasp the impermanence of life, we can learn to let go of attachments, fears, and anxieties, which ultimately leads to a greater sense of inner peace and self-respect. To apply the lesson of impermanence in your life. Let go of attachments. Many of our sufferings are rooted in our attachments to people, possessions, and outcomes. By acknowledging the impermanence of these things, we can release our grasp on them and find freedom from suffering. Embrace change. Instead of fearing change, accept it as an inherent part of life. When we can adapt to change gracefully, we not only find peace, but also earn respect for our resilience and flexibility. Live in the present. The impermanence of life reminds us to appreciate the present moment. When we focus on what's happening right now, we can fully engage with life and find greater contentment. Learn from impermanence. Reflect on the impermanence of life to gain a deeper understanding of yourself and the world. This can lead to wisdom and a sense of humility, both of which garner respect from others. By embracing the lesson of impermanence, you can learn to let go of the need for control and perfection. This sense of inner peace and humility will naturally command respect from those who see you as a steady and grounded presence in their lives. 4. Lesson of non-attachment. Non-attachment is another core teaching of Buddhism that can lead to earning respect from others. This lesson is closely related to impermanence, but focuses on the idea that suffering arises from our attachments and cravings. Non-attachment encourages us to free ourselves from the need for external validation and material possessions, fostering a sense of inner contentment. To practice non-attachment, detach from outcomes. Instead of fixating on specific outcomes or expectations, focus on the effort you put into your actions. This allows you to find satisfaction in the process rather than solely in results. Let go of material possessions. While it's not necessary to abandon all your possessions, consider what truly brings value to your life. By minimizing material attachments, you can experience a sense of freedom and lightness that is respected by others. Release the need for approval. Seek validation from within rather than relying on external sources for your self-worth. When you no longer require the approval of others, you exude a sense of self-confidence and respect. Practice contentment. Contentment arises when you can appreciate what you have rather than constantly desiring more. This attitude is not only respected by others, but also leads to greater inner peace. Non-attachment is a powerful lesson that enables you to live more freely and authentically. When you are not driven by external validations and desires, you project an air of self-assuredness and respect that others find compelling. 5. Lesson of right speech. The way we communicate has a profound impact on how we are perceived by others. Buddhism places great importance on right speech, emphasizing the need for words that are truthful, kind, and helpful. By mastering the art of right speech, you can earn the respect of those around you, as they will see you as a trustworthy and considerate communicator. To practice right speech, consider the following. Truthfulness. Always speak the truth. Honesty is a cornerstone of respect. When people know they can trust your words, they are more likely to respect and rely on you. Kindness. Choose your words with care and speak with a compassionate tone. Avoid hurtful or harsh language. By communicating in a gentle and understanding manner, you foster respect and goodwill. Helpful speech. Make sure your words are beneficial to others. Avoid gossip, slander, or divisive speech. Instead, offer guidance, support, and encouragement to those who need it. Mindful silence. Sometimes, the most respectful form of communication is silence. Be mindful of when it's best to listen rather than speak. Respect others' perspectives and give them the space to express themselves. Reflect before you speak. Before responding in a conversation, take a moment to consider the impact of your words. Thoughtful communication is respected and appreciated by others. Practicing right speech not only enhances your reputation, but also creates harmonious and respectful relationships with those around you. Your words become a source of inspiration and motivation for others to do the same. 6. Lesson of patience. Patience is a virtue, and it is a virtue highly esteemed in Buddhism. The teachings of Buddhism emphasize the importance of patience in the face of adversity and the challenges of life. Patience is a key quality that can earn the respect of others by demonstrating your ability to remain calm, composed, and understanding even in difficult situations. To apply the lesson of patience in your life, accept life's challenges. Recognize that life is filled with challenges, and not everything will go according to plan. Embrace setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning. Breathe and stay calm. When faced with frustration or adversity, take deep breaths and maintain your composure. A calm and patient demeanor is highly respected by those around you. Practice tolerance. Tolerance means understanding and accepting the differences in others. By respecting diversity and differing opinions, you foster a sense of unity and respect. Learn to let go. Sometimes, patience involves recognizing when it's time to let go of situations or people that no longer serve your well-being. This act of self-care is respected by others who see your commitment to your own growth and happiness. Develop inner strength. Patience requires inner strength and resilience. When you cultivate these qualities, you become a source of inspiration and respect for others who may be going through difficult times. By embracing patience, you not only enhance your own well-being, but also command respect from those who see your ability to navigate life's challenges with grace and equanimity. 7. Lesson of gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful lesson from Buddhism that can transform your life and earn the respect of those around you. It involves acknowledging and appreciating the blessings and opportunities in your life, no matter how small they may seem. When you practice gratitude, you radiate positivity and attract respect from others. To incorporate gratitude into your life, start a gratitude journal. Dedicate a few minutes each day to write down things you're grateful for. This practice helps you focus on the positive aspects of your life and fosters an attitude of thankfulness. Express your gratitude. Don't keep your feelings of appreciation to yourself. Tell the people you care about how much you value them and the things they do for you. Focus on the present. Pay attention to the beauty and goodness in each moment. By living in the present and appreciating what you have, you radiate a sense of contentment that is respected by others. Practice mindful consumption. Be aware of your consumption habits and their impact on the world. Consuming mindfully, whether it's food, products, or media, can lead to greater respect for the environment and other cultures. Give back. One of the most powerful ways to express gratitude is by giving to others. When you help those in need, you not only show gratitude for your own blessings, but also inspire respect for your generosity and empathy. Gratitude is a transformative quality that can change your perspective on life. When you carry an attitude of thankfulness, you naturally attract respect and admiration from those who recognize your positivity and kindness. 8. Lesson of self-reflection. Self-reflection is a crucial practice in Buddhism, as it leads to greater self-awareness and understanding. By examining your thoughts, actions, and motivations, you can make positive changes in your life and command respect from those who see your commitment to personal growth. To incorporate self-reflection into your life. Regularly journal. Writing in a journal allows you to explore your thoughts and emotions. It's a valuable tool for self-examination and self-discovery. Seek feedback. Actively seek feedback from others about your actions and behavior. This external perspective can provide insights for self-improvement. Question your motivations. Whenever you make a decision or take an action, ask yourself why you are doing it. Understanding your motivations can help you align your actions with your values and principles. Learn from mistakes. Instead of dwelling on your failures, use them as opportunities for growth. When you can admit your mistakes and work to rectify them, you earn respect for your humility and commitment to self-improvement. Set goals. Define your values and set clear goals for yourself. This provides a sense of direction and purpose, which is respected by those who see your determination. Self-reflection is a deeply personal journey that can lead to significant personal growth. By embracing this practice, you demonstrate your commitment to self-improvement and self-awareness, which earns the respect of those who recognize your dedication. 9. Lesson of humility. Humility is a virtue revered in Buddhism and a quality that can command respect from others. Humble individuals are perceived as approachable, down-to-earth, and easy to work with. They acknowledge their limitations and imperfections while recognizing the strengths and contributions of others. To embrace humility in your life. Acknowledge your limitations. Recognize that you are not infallible and that you make mistakes like everyone else. This admission of vulnerability is respected by those who see your authenticity. Give credit to others. Acknowledge the contributions and achievements of those around you. Practice active listening. Show a genuine interest in the perspectives and experiences of others. By valuing their input, you demonstrate a humble and open-minded attitude. Be of service. Offer your assistance and support to those in need without expecting anything in return. Humble acts of service are deeply respected by those you help. Share your knowledge. When you have expertise in a particular area, be willing to share your knowledge with others. This generosity is seen as a form of humility. Humility is not about diminishing your worth, but recognizing that every individual is a part of a larger whole. By practicing humility, you foster a sense of connection and respect from those who see your willingness to collaborate and acknowledge the contributions of others. 10. Lesson of right livelihood. The final lesson from Buddhism that can help you earn the respect of others is the concept of right livelihood. This teaching focuses on the importance of making ethical and meaningful choices in your work and career. When you align your livelihood with your values and principles, you inspire respect from those who see your commitment to ethical living. To practice right livelihood, choose a career aligned with your values. Seek work that aligns with your ethical beliefs and passions. When your career reflects your values, it's respected as a genuine and authentic pursuit. Avoid harmful industries. Refrain from engaging in or supporting industries that cause harm to people, animals, or the environment. By making conscientious choices, you demonstrate your commitment to a more ethical and sustainable world. Be ethical in your dealings. Conduct yourself with honesty and integrity in your professional life. Ethical behavior is deeply respected by colleagues, clients, and employers. Strive for a work-life balance. Prioritize your well-being and relationships alongside your career. When you achieve balance, it's seen as a wise and respectful approach to life. Give back through your work. Find ways to contribute to the betterment of society through your work. Whether it's through volunteerism or creating positive change within your industry, these efforts are highly respected by others. Right livelihood is a holistic approach to living that extends beyond your work. It encompasses your ethical choices, lifestyle, and the positive impact you aim to make on the world. By following this lesson, you inspire respect not only through your career, but also through your commitment to making the world a better place. By weaving these lessons into the fabric of your daily existence, you can create a harmonious and fulfilling life that naturally garners respect from others. Let's take a moment to further explore the interconnectedness of these lessons and how they can work together to enrich your journey. Mindfulness is the foundation on which you build your understanding of the world and yourself. It enables you to navigate life's challenges and triumphs with equanimity. As you deepen your mindfulness practice, you'll become more attuned to the suffering of others, which naturally leads to the cultivation of compassion. Compassion is a natural consequence of mindfulness, because as you become more aware of the interconnectedness of all beings, you naturally empathize with their struggles and joys. When compassion is nurtured, it's easier to release the need for attachment. You understand that the impermanence of life makes clinging to material possessions, outcomes, or even your own ego futile. The quality of your communication has a profound impact on your relationships and the respect you receive from others. Practicing right speech involves choosing your words carefully, which requires patience. Instead of reacting impulsively, you pause, reflect, and consider how your words will affect those around you. Patience is a virtue that fosters right speech. When you're patient, you avoid hasty or hurtful remarks, and you allow the space for thoughtful and considerate communication. The combination of right speech and patience creates a respectful and harmonious atmosphere in your interactions. Gratitude is a practice that deepens your appreciation for life's blessings and nurtures humility. As you count your blessings, you become more aware of the importance of self-reflection. You realize that you have much to be thankful for, and this gratitude motivates you to examine your thoughts, actions, and the impact you have on the world. Self-reflection, in turn, brings depth to your gratitude practice. It enables you to understand how you can contribute positively to the lives of others and the world at large. Gratitude and self-reflection, when combined, encourage you to live authentically and humbly, thereby commanding the respect of those who witness your genuine and compassionate nature. Humility is closely related to right livelihood. When you approach your work with humility, you acknowledge your place in the grand scheme of life and work harmoniously with others. This attitude naturally extends to your professional life. Right livelihood involves making ethical and meaningful choices in your career and lifestyle. When your career aligns with your values and principles, it's easier to approach your work with humility, recognizing that every occupation plays a role in the larger fabric of society. This alignment fosters respect for your commitment to ethical living. As you can see, these 10 Buddhism lessons are not just a collection of individual concepts, but an interconnected web of principles that can guide you towards a more mindful, compassionate, and respectful way of life. By applying these lessons in your daily existence, you're not only transforming yourself, but also radiating positive energy and inspiration to those around you. As you strive to earn the respect of others, remember that it's an outcome, not the primary goal. Focus on living in a way that is congruent with your values and principles, and respect will naturally follow. The journey to earning respect is, in fact, a journey to becoming the best version of yourself, and that, in itself, is a significant achievement. These teachings are most effective when practiced consistently. Make them a part of your daily life. Create a routine that includes mindfulness meditation, gratitude journaling, or other practices that resonate with you. Over time, the consistency of your efforts will become a source of inspiration and respect from those who see your dedication. Embrace your mistakes and setbacks as opportunities for growth. In the course of your journey, there may be moments when you slip from the path of these teachings. Don't be disheartened. Instead, use these experiences as valuable lessons to further refine your practice and character. Demonstrating the ability to learn from your mistakes is respected by others. Consider joining a community or group of like-minded individuals who share your interest in these teachings. Surrounding yourself with people who are on a similar journey can provide valuable support, encouragement, and insights. Building a support network can be a source of inspiration and motivation, while also offering you opportunities to share and learn from others. Your life circumstances and experiences will change, and as they do, your approach to these teachings may need to adapt. Be open to evolving your practice and understanding of these lessons. The ability to adapt and grow demonstrates resilience, and is respected by those who witness your journey. As you gain insights and experience the positive changes these teachings bring to your life, consider sharing your wisdom with others. Whether through teaching, mentoring, or simply offering guidance to friends and family, sharing your knowledge can be a source of inspiration for those who are seeking to embark on a similar path. Remember that personal growth is a lifelong endeavor, and transformation takes time. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress, no matter how small it may seem. Patience is a virtue that others respect, as it reflects your commitment to self-improvement and inner peace. The interconnectedness of these teachings is a reminder to seek balance in your life. Balance in your actions, your relationships, and your personal well-being. A balanced and harmonious life is inherently respected by those who see your ability to navigate challenges with grace. Ultimately, the teachings of Buddhism are not just philosophical concepts, but practical tools that can help you cultivate a deeper sense of mindfulness, compassion, and respect for yourself and others. By integrating these teachings into your life, you'll inspire those around you to embark on their own journeys of personal growth and self-improvement. 11. Lesson of Forgiveness. One additional lesson that complements the teachings of Buddhism and can significantly enhance your journey to earning respect is the lesson of forgiveness. Buddhism teaches the importance of forgiveness, both for oneself and for others. When you can forgive past wrongs and let go of grudges, you free yourself from the burden of resentment and anger. Forgiveness involves self-forgiveness. Release the guilt and self-criticism that may be holding you back. Forgive yourself for past mistakes and recognize that you are worthy of respect, even with imperfections. Forgiving others. Let go of anger and resentment towards those who have wronged you. Forgiving others is not about condoning their actions, but about freeing yourself from the negative emotions associated with the past. Compassion in forgiveness. Approach forgiveness with compassion for yourself and others. This practice reflects your emotional maturity and can earn respect from those who see your ability to rise above past conflicts. Forgiveness is a powerful lesson that promotes healing and fosters harmony in your relationships. It demonstrates your emotional intelligence and capacity for growth, which are qualities respected by others. 12. Lesson of Contentment. Contentment is a lesson closely related to gratitude. In Buddhism, contentment involves finding satisfaction in the present moment and embracing the simplicity of life. By practicing contentment, you can maintain a sense of inner peace and a positive attitude that naturally commands respect from those around you. To incorporate contentment into your life, simplify your lifestyle. Embrace a simpler way of living by decluttering your physical and mental space. Reducing the need for excess possessions can lead to a more content and peaceful existence. Accept the here and now. Instead of constantly striving for more, practice being content with what you have and where you are in life. This mindset fosters an attitude of gratitude and respect for the present moment. Foster positive relationships. Seek out relationships that bring you joy and contentment. Let go of toxic connections and focus on nurturing those that uplift and support you. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness, as previously discussed, is an effective tool for cultivating contentment. When you are fully present in the moment, you can appreciate the beauty and simplicity of life. By embodying contentment, you'll find that your ability to remain positive and satisfied, regardless of external circumstances, is respected by those who recognize your inner strength and resilience. 13. Lesson of Generosity. Generosity is a lesson that goes hand in hand with compassion and gratitude. Buddhism teaches the importance of giving freely to others, whether it's through acts of kindness, sharing resources, or offering support to those in need. When you practice generosity, you not only improve the lives of others, but also inspire respect for your selflessness and kindness. To incorporate generosity into your life, random acts of kindness. Engage in spontaneous acts of kindness, whether it's helping a stranger, giving to charity, or supporting a friend in need. Share your resources. Whether you have material wealth or knowledge to offer, be willing to share your resources with others. This practice demonstrates your willingness to make a positive impact on the world. Volunteer and give back. Find opportunities to volunteer your time and skills to causes that align with your values. Contributing to the well-being of others is highly respected by those who see your commitment to positive change. Embrace the spirit of giving. Adopt a generous mindset, where giving becomes a way of life. When you consistently practice generosity, it becomes a hallmark of your character, earning the respect and admiration of those around you. Generosity is a lesson that not only enhances your relationships and well-being, but also creates a ripple effect of positivity and kindness in the world. By living a life of giving, you inspire respect for your selfless and compassionate nature. 14. Lesson of equanimity. Equanimity is a lesson that complements the teachings of patience and impermanence. In Buddhism, equanimity involves maintaining mental and emotional balance in the face of life's ups and downs. It's the ability to remain calm and composed, even when confronted with challenges or adversity. To practice equanimity, cultivate a balanced mind. Meditation is a powerful tool for developing equanimity. Regular meditation practice allows you to observe your thoughts and emotions without attachment or aversion. Accept the unpredictability of life. Recognize that life is inherently uncertain, and not everything will go as planned. Embrace the unpredictability of life with an open heart and a calm mind. Maintain a steady perspective. When faced with difficult situations, strive to maintain a steady perspective. This unwavering attitude is respected by those who see your ability to handle challenges with grace and composure. Let go of judgments. Practice non-judgment and impartiality in your interactions with others. Treat everyone with fairness and respect, regardless of their circumstances or behavior. Equanimity is a lesson that helps you navigate life's challenges with grace and dignity. When you can remain composed and compassionate in all situations, you earn the respect of others who recognize your strength and resilience. 15. Lesson of inner peace. Inner peace is a fundamental teaching of Buddhism, and it's a lesson that permeates all the others. Achieving inner peace is not a destination, but a continuous journey that involves embracing the other teachings we've explored, such as mindfulness, compassion, non-attachment, and contentment. To cultivate inner peace, embrace silence and solitude. Regularly spend time in silence and solitude to connect with your inner self. This practice is essential for finding inner peace and balance. Let go of the need for control. Understand that many things in life are beyond your control. Release the need to control every outcome, and instead focus on your response to situations. Practice forgiveness and acceptance. Let go of past grievances and accept things as they are. This attitude leads to inner peace and is respected by others who see your emotional maturity. Live authentically. Align your actions and choices with your true self. Embracing authenticity is a powerful way to find inner peace and earn the respect of those who recognize your sincerity. Inner peace is not just a personal achievement. It radiates outward and influences the quality of your relationships and interactions. When you carry a sense of calm and harmony within, it naturally commands respect and admiration from those who witness your transformative journey. Incorporating these additional teachings of forgiveness, contentment, generosity, and equanimity into your life, along with the foundational principles we've explored, can create a profound shift in your character and your interactions with others. As you continue on your path of self-discovery and personal growth, remember that respect is not a destination but a byproduct of living authentically, compassionately, and mindfully. Your journey is a testament to the power of these teachings to inspire positive change in the world and the lives of those you touch. 16. Lesson of mindful consumption. Mindful consumption is a lesson that aligns with the teachings of non-attachment and gratitude. In a world filled with consumerism, Buddhism emphasizes the importance of mindful and ethical consumption. By being conscious of what you consume in terms of material goods, media, and resources, you not only reduce your environmental impact, but also inspire respect from those who see your commitment to responsible living. To incorporate mindful consumption into your life, Evaluate your needs. Regularly assess what you truly need versus what you want. By practicing discernment in your consumption, you not only reduce excess, but also encourage respect for the environment and your thoughtful approach to material possessions. Support ethical brands. Choose to support businesses and brands that prioritize ethical and sustainable practices. Your conscious choices are respected by those who see your commitment to responsible consumerism. Reduce waste. Minimize your waste by recycling, reusing, and reducing single-use products. Practicing eco-friendly habits is a reflection of your respect for the planet and future generations. Media consumption. Be selective in your media consumption, focusing on content that uplifts and educates rather than fosters negativity or mindless consumption. Your discernment in media choices is respected by those who see your commitment to mental and emotional well-being. By adopting mindful consumption as a way of life, you not only contribute to a more sustainable and conscious world, but also earn the respect of others who witness your commitment to responsible living. 17. Lesson of kindness. Kindness is a universal virtue that transcends cultures and religions. In Buddhism, kindness is emphasized as a way to promote compassion and harmony in the world. It's a lesson that, when practiced sincerely, can inspire deep respect and admiration from those you encounter. To incorporate kindness into your life, practice random acts of kindness. Small gestures, such as holding the door for someone or offering a genuine compliment, can brighten someone's day and earn their respect. Cultivate a compassionate heart. Approach every interaction with empathy and a desire to understand others. Your genuine concern for their well-being is deeply respected. Be a supportive friend. Offer your support and be there for friends and loved ones in times of need. Your kindness in their moments of vulnerability is a source of immense respect and gratitude. Extend kindness to all beings. Treat every living being, including animals and the environment, with kindness and respect. Your commitment to non-harm and compassion is a powerful demonstration of your character. Kindness, as a way of life, creates a ripple effect of positivity and compassion. When you practice kindness consistently, you inspire respect not only for your actions, but for the love and warmth you bring to the world. 18. Lesson of self-compassion. Self-compassion is a lesson that beautifully complements the teachings of forgiveness and inner peace. It involves treating yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you extend to others. By practicing self-compassion, you not only enhance your own well-being, but also earn the respect of those who see your self-love and inner strength. To incorporate self-compassion into your life, be mindful of self-talk. Pay attention to your inner dialogue and replace self-criticism with self-kindness. This practice fosters a sense of self-respect and emotional well-being. Embrace imperfection. Recognize that you, like everyone else, are imperfect. Embrace your flaws and mistakes as opportunities for growth and learning. Prioritize self-care. Make self-care a regular part of your routine, whether through exercise, meditation, or simply taking time to relax. Your commitment to your well-being is respected by those who see your self-love. Forgive yourself. Let go of past mistakes and forgive yourself for any perceived wrongdoings. Self-forgiveness is a powerful reflection of your emotional maturity and self-respect. Self-compassion is not a selfish act, but an essential component of a healthy and balanced life. By practicing self-compassion, you demonstrate your ability to love and respect yourself, which in turn inspires respect from those who witness your self-empowerment. Incorporating these additional teachings into your journey of personal growth and earning the respect of others can lead to a deeper and more meaningful transformation. Your dedication to mindfulness, compassion, and ethical living serves as a testament to the power of these lessons to inspire positive change in the world.